Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to put in the long hours for making these videos. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market looks good, both triple Q and SPY gapping up, giving me a bullish sentiment on the day. As usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon. Tesla yesterday did not work for me. I took a significant loss yesterday. So today I'll not be in a revenge trading mindset, and I'll not try to make up for the loss that I had yesterday. I'll look for my setup, and only if my setup presents, I'll take trades. Hopefully today we get some good action on Nvidia, Tesla, or Amazon. I'll be looking to see how these stocks react to pre-market highs and pre-market lows and then plan my trades accordingly. We do have around 25 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Tesla, Amazon putting on a fight here. Tesla broke the pre-market high, Amazon too, but I need to see a strong green candle to confirm the trend, and I don't like the upper wicks. 947 area is going to act as a resistance. I think Tesla is holding up well. It should be in play today, and so does Amazon. But Amazon, it's spready and at the same time it's pricey. Focus on Tesla for now. 1410 was an area that I was watching. We do have around 1 minute for this candle to close. No. It's going without me. Giving it some more time. Triple Q falling. 1380 maybe. Adding 1360 for an EMA play. The next add would be around 935 from this area. It's approaching my second level. 1260 I'm placing an order. Low was 1275. Yep, I'm in. Anticipating a bounce over here. 1230. Adding. My final add would be around 930 area, 928, 930 area. Okay, 60. Adding. Not liking it. Maybe this is the first final candle to make a new high. Or it can fake me out. I think I may have to take a loser on this one. It actually failed around this area. If it can break, I think I should be able to exit green. Yep, it's making that move. Don't fail again, please. SPY and triple Q looking good. I did not have enough capital to actually make an add here. So SPY, triple Q bouncing, Tesla not bouncing. That's strange. I don't like it now. Again failing. I'll cut my loser at the low of this candle. Can be a fake out. Had I had the buying power to actually add over here, I would have added because that was the plan going into this trade. Now what is it going to do from here? Can it be the first final candle to make a new high? I'm not sure. But now again, if it breaks, I'm taking the loser, getting out. That's why I have a market order here prepared. Lower wick suggests a reversal. Strong support over 930 area. SPY is looking good. Can it be the first final candle to make a new high? Yep. Triple Q breaking out and SPY. Hopefully Tesla can also do the same. Selling 20. Booking some loss. Selling another 20. Now just 30. Meaning I'll get out. Yep. See how it's feeling. My last exit was around 10.39 and now it's almost $1 less. a big loser, 2 consecutive big losers. Not a great feeling. So what I could have done better here was evaluate my capital. I should have taken a look at my buying power before getting into this trade. I was planning for one more ad around this area, which obviously was in play. Had I got my ad, this would have easily been a winner because the premiums bounced to the high of $12.20, $12 area, and I was sitting at $12.49. So clearly, if I had got my fourth ad for 80 contracts, my cost basis would have been significantly lower, maybe $11.50 range, and I would have probably got out of the trade green. But it is what it is. I don't think I should be trading again for the day. So today I actually went above my max loss, which is $1 per contract. I think I lost close to around $2 per contract, losing $14,000 on one single trade. Not a great feeling. It's really difficult to actually post these live trades. Taking a loss is not an easy thing. So if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. I think I'll wrap it up for today. Overall, a bad day of trading. Things totally went wrong for me today. But I'll come back tomorrow, refreshed with a clean slate, hoping to get some good trades. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.